So we're a SaaS company, so we're selling a product to various customers. So what we need to do is we're providing essentially an analytics capability on behalf of our customers. They are the users of it. Those are the ones who are actually using these dashboards and reports to understand what's going on in their own business. So what we were looking to do was to sort of white label something effectively. So Plexure has a point of view as to how marketers can understand their consumers, understand their content, and sort of improve and optimize their performance. So that's really, we push that into our users, and then they use it alongside our kind of internal consultants who are helping them out with that. So from our perspective, what we were looking to do here was really just give generally a few different perspectives on the data, from a consumer perspective, from a content perspective, content performance perspective, and then the kind of sales outcomes that are being driven by that. And as I said, kind of put in place the generic templates that promote kind of Plexure's point of view on how users should measure success. And I think, we have enterprise customers, so we'll talk a little bit at the end about how they obviously have custom needs and how we kind of adapted to that. But if I can sort of step through these, what we kind of have is marketers are promoting various bits of content at different times. These could be advertisements, these could be offers, these could be push messages they're using to sort of pull people back to engage with the brand. We're looking at, that's really a sort of a funnel that we're trying to move consumers through from an impression that's a bit of content that's presented to them, they click to engage with it, and then we move that through and track that all the way through to the sales transaction. So really trying to track here the overall kind of progress of consumers through that funnel, and then being able to see how campaigns and the content within campaigns, the relative performance of those, both against each other and against their ability to pull consumers from the beginning of the funnel to the end. And then we were kind of looking at the sales outcomes. At the end of the day, a lot of these organizations are trying to make sure they're actually pulling more people through the doors, transacting more, increasing their kind of frequency or average track per transaction, increasing that kind of consumer value. And I think this is a sort of an interesting one. We've recently relaunched this dashboard because what we found after we launched was that the sales dashboard was by far the most used dashboard. We wanted to sort of let users dig deeper and understand that kind of sales performance a little bit more of a granular level. So we took that dashboard and really kind of reworked it quite significantly to give it a lot more capability to let users dig deeper. So that kind of iterative approach is something we're really strong on, really keen on. Definitely not a sort of launch and leave it kind of capability here.